XPeng P7 Plus. In this video I'll show you how to enable seat massager. In the beginning, take a look at the screen display, go to Vehicle and go to Seat. Next, enter Massage and now select Seat. You can enable massage for front driver seat, passenger and rear passenger seats. Now simply select driver seat massage and it's done. Next, you can change massage preset, intensity, or you can enable waist relief. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.